Let's do a quick overview of Dawn AI Avatars app. Transform your selfies with AI. As you can see, this app right now just skyrocketed to the top charts of the US App Store. And I was curious, why is that? Because there are like just now so many apps with this AI avatar trend. So yeah, basically here you can generate AI avatars just by uploading your own images. Create outstanding avatars using the latest AI technology. Just upload your photos and let Dawn work its magic, turning you and your friends into whatever comes to mind. And all at the click of the button, produce fun and unique images with AI and your imagination. You can surprise your friends. And you have a lot of styles. So I'll just show you how it looks like. So basically when you first create, basically you don't even need to create an account. You just open the app and then you need to upload your first batch of your own personal photos. I think you need like at least 8 selfies. It's good to, you just follow the instructions. It's good to upload different emotional expressions here, different angles, but it's just also important that your face is clearly visible. Just upload when you're smiling, when you're sad, like different emotions. Then you will just have a lot of different combinations. I did a bit of a mistake. I just upload one of the emotion, and now you have all these like grumpy photos. But yes, this is your result. Basically, then the app generates completely different AI avatars. How it works is not just like whitens your teeth or it removes background or adds some filter. It generates completely new images. That's like the power of AI. And yeah, we're just getting started with it. So here's my example. I definitely can say that there are some similarities with the face. However, yeah, it's maybe it's too general. It's not like photo, and some you just are completely off. Like they don't have any similarity. They're very like too off. But yeah, in Dawn AI, you can then just have your own tag, and yeah, it's super convenient. Actually, with this own tag, you can generate more images. So you can just tap generate more images and then something like this, and then just type here. But the thing is, I was able to generate all of this for free, which is really amazing. Like the first set of avatars in the Dawn app, I was able to generate for free. In Lensa AI, other apps, you need to pay right away, even for like 50 photos. Here, you can do it for free, which is really amazing. But then to generate other sets of AI avatars, you need to either wait 1 day or you need to get Pro. So Pro is actually not that expensive, so it's only $9.99 per week, and it has 3-day free trial. So 3 days free, then $9.99 per week. So that's pretty cool. And then yeah, you can just do like, for example, something like this, and then you will generate your AI avatar as astronaut. So that's super interesting, and this feature makes this app similar to like Instagram or like TikTok social media. And then here you can also see some inspiration. Me as a soccer player, me as a pizza, a horror, clown, all these different filters where you can just tap and then tap generate your avatar with this AI filter. Yeah, so that's basically how it works. Like this woman is just an example. This is not like your image which will be generated. This is just an example. Yeah, then you just have all of these nostalgic photos, some cool avatars, some pink hair, whatever, curly haired, and then you can just generate all these avatars. It's not possible to add friends or message someone on this app yet, but it looks like maybe it would be a good idea actually, because it looks like it's kind of similar to some social media rather than just AI image generating app. Also in this app you can generate AI art, so you can generate artwork. So like for example, you can just write something like castle, and AI will generate the picture of the castle, or like castle in the forest, and you will just get that. Then you have just settings. You don't even need to create your account. You don't need to do that. Then you can just upgrade to Pro, because you don't need to create your account. There is no need to delete it, and that's it. Because sometimes when you create your account, then you can be concerned about your data, your privacy, all of that. So here you just don't create an account, and it's less hassle. However, I'm not sure actually what happens to your photos, like how secure are they, because it's like pretty sensitive data, to be honest. Like if you upload your own images, your selfies, you don't want them to be exposed or leaked somewhere, probably. So I have no idea. Probably you just need to read privacy policy here. I still would like to have an option to just delete all these selfies I uploaded. Probably you can just do it by delete this tag, delete the model. You can just tap delete. So probably you can just, that's basically meaning how do you delete your account, because you delete all this tag, which is your AI model based on the selfies you provided. So that's basically the idea. Again, if you want to upgrade to Pro, there is 3-day free trial. Then it's $9.99 per week, which is more than $40 per month. So it's pretty expensive, but the computational power for AI images is also like pretty expensive. I'm actually not sure how this app is able to generate the first batch for free, and then how this app is able to just provide you free trial as well, because what I read, like Lensa AI is already super expensive, and in many other apps you need to pay like $40 to get like 50 AI images, because otherwise like the business model just doesn't work. At this moment it's like super expensive to use all this like computation with AI modeling. But so I don't know how it works exactly, that they made it a bit cheaper, but hey, it works. This app is in top charts in the US App Store right now. Super interesting app. And of course it doesn't provide realistic super like photo like images, but it is what it is. Super nice. You can use these images on social media, on Twitter, Discord, chats, gaming. Maybe it's not there where you can use these images like on LinkedIn or in in some like official cover letters or resumes. I don't know, obviously not in the passport, but just to show off with friends, it's pretty nice idea. Hope that is helpful. Hope this overview was useful for you, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. You can also check out my TikTok and my personal blog where I describe different apps, mrhack.io.